Okay, so we're starting analysis now. First, this is the chart on the monthly, but maybe to show you something small is that the charts always move like this. You have, if it's an uptrend, so it will always move like this, and it will come back here, move like that to there. Yeah. So this is what we mean. Let me go. This is what we mean. So realize that this is the. If it's an uptrend, it will always come back here. So you see, this is the lower high here, and then this is the higher high. And then we have moved back down here. So this is so we have this one as a lower low, and then this is the higher high, or the this is the high low, then this is the high high. So is the high low, and then is high high. So you realize that the market will always be coming back. The market will always be coming back in these positions here. Do this first. So it will always be coming back. So this one, it will come back lower. The high low will always come back here. And if this is the high high, then the lower low will always be coming back here. So for the market to move. So this here that I've drawn, this is the area of interest. This long box square like something is the area of interest. So that's what we're going to focus on. That is why we focus on the monthly, because you can easily see these moves here. You can easily see these moves on the monthly time frame. For the lower time frame, it is the same move, but there will be different things there, like this, then this. Yeah, so there will be lots of moves there. See, like that. And then it will go there, then again moves like that. That is on the lower time frames. Yeah, those are the moves that you'll be seeing on the lower time frames, but on the higher time frames, you'll be seeing such a big move. Yeah. So that is why we don't want to focus on the lower time frames. That's what we are doing. But you see, all these moves, all these small moves, it's hard for you to draw an area of interest. Reason is you are being too much of a small person, but if you go to the higher time frames, you can be able to see this more. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. And right now on this market here, so what I want us to do is to identify the high low and the lower low. Let me delete that. So this is what we're going to do. So you are seeing also that there's still small different things here, but if you are to identify the market just by looking at it, you're going to see that this market is in a downtrend. Yeah. But that is not the thing. We always want to identify high lows and lower lows. You're going to identify, is this a high low, so you see what I'm doing, and then there are small things here which you can, and then you identify whether the market is in a bullish state or a bearish state, and then start drawing things like that. Yeah, so we do not always have to do that. This market is a downtrend until we identify our lower lows and lower highs. So if I'm to do like this, because I've just drawn what I'm seeing on board, and remember, we are not going to start all the way from this side, because the market already started some years back. Yeah, like 2003. It's going to take us a lot of time to draw something. Well, next video I'm going to show keenly how it is, but if I'm to focus from 2003 until I get drawing, it is going to take much of a time. So you always have to concentrate on this last leg to see. So being here, you can see that the market is in a downtrend. So if you do your analysis, like if you to zoom out, you can see that it is a downtrend. But if you to really look closely and to identify your lower lows or higher highs, whatever, you realize that the market is in an uptrend. So it is bearish, and here it went. So it did. For the market to be bullish or bearish, it has to close above this last point. So if you see here, it closed above this. So it went bullish, and then here it closed below this. So this coming here, it turned out to be bearish, and then closing above here, it turned out to be bullish. So that is what we are always going to look out when trying to do our analysis. Yeah, so let's go to the next video.